mentioning this tool makes sound effect editors want to quit their jobs. First, visit ElevenLabs and sign up for an account. Next, click on the sound effects section and enter the description for the sound effect you want. I'll enter Barking Dog Remix. Just hit generate, and in seconds, AE, I will give you 4 different sound effect versions. Choose the one you like best, download it, and use it in your video, game, or any creative project. It's super fast and convenient. No more rummaging through sound libraries. What are you waiting for? Contact me now to get an ElevenLabs account at an unbeatable price. Don't forget to follow me and stay tuned for the next video.